how to use PLR for faceless YouTube automation. So welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. We just hit 2,000 subscribers and I'd love to keep growing. So hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. And if you like the video, please leave a like as well. So PLR stands for private label rights, and you can get PLR products from lots of different places. And basically what PLR products allow is they give you a license so that you can use it as though it's your own. So it's a great way to get content for your online business without having to create it yourself. And so I use PLR products for a lot of different purposes. Today we're going to talk about how to use PLR products for faceless YouTube automation, where you automate a YouTube channel. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to use your voice, you don't have to create the content, etc. So we're getting the content from PLR. And I love this site called bigproductstore.com. I will leave a link in the description box below for everything I'm referencing. So if you want to go check it out yourself, you can. You can get some free products off of here, and then they have a membership as well. But they have about 15,000 different PLR products of all kinds of different types, and they're always adding more, okay? And so if you do decide to join, they have a monthly membership, and then they have a one-time payment option as well. So I did the $98.50 one-time payment option, and so now I have lifetime access to all their content with unlimited downloads, unlimited access, unlimited downloads, and there is no per product fee at all. So it's a actually really good deal. So what I did is I went into Big Product Store, the website here, and got an article that has to do with juicing, okay? And so in Big Product Store, they have tons and tons of different niches that they cover. So everything from finances, self-help, make money online, health and fitness, weight loss, you name it, they have it. So you're going to find pretty much anything you need to on bigproductstore.com. Now, you don't want to use the PLR as it is, okay? You want to go ahead and let's, how about this? Easy ways to include juicing in your diet. So we're going to want to take this and we're going to want to rewrite it. Now, you can rewrite it yourself, but we're trying to make life easy, okay? And so what we're going to do is let's copy all of this, and we're going to go into a website called Quillbot. Now, Quillbot has a free version, although it limits the number of words that you can put in here to, they call it their paraphraser. It basically rewrites it, and it does a great job. It will pass any kind of plagiarism checker. You know, you can go into Copyscape, it'll pass Copyscape, and it also will pass a lot of the AI detectors that are out there now as well. And if you do use the free version, you may just need to put in chunks at a time and do that several times to get the whole article. Or you can get, it's actually very reasonably priced. I think it's only about $5 a month, maybe $7 a month to use their premium version, which then includes grammar checker, plagiarism checker, co-writer, summarizer, etc. They have a Chrome extension, and on the free, I think you only get the standard and fluency mode, but with the paid, you also get formal, simple, creative, expand, or shorten, and you can adjust how many synonyms you want to use. So basically, I'm just going to paste the article in here. Now you can freeze any word, so if there's anything you don't want changed, like let's say maybe we don't want the word juicing, we want to keep that because that's kind of a common phrase, and you found that word is in juicing's in there 13 times. So you could just go through, they have some recommended words, or if there's certain words. So I'm just going to leave it just that one, and then just hit paraphrase, and it will very quickly rewrite this article for you, okay? And so you can see it was 548 words, so it made it a little shorter, 507 words. It rewrote 30 sentences, and let me just jump over real quick to Copyscape. Let me log in, and we'll show you. Let's go back. Let's just copy this, and we'll paste it here into Copyscape and do a premium search on it, and it's going to come back no results were found, okay? Because this is unique content. Now, if I had put the original PLR article into Copyscape, it probably would have been found on many, many websites, because unfortunately a lot of people just take the PLR article and just use it as is. When really you want to go ahead and rewrite it, Quillbot works great for that. And as you can see, it is unique content. It reads really well. And so it's super simple to use. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use this article that we had Quillbot rewrite for us, and we're going to go ahead and create a YouTube video. And this is going to be our script for the video. We're going to use software called Pictory. Really easy to use. It has a free trial. I'll show you how easy it is. Here I'm logged in. Now Pictory does lots of different things. We're just going to focus on this script to video. So I'm going to proceed, and we're going to paste our script in here that we got from Quillbot. Now I'm just going to pause the video while I go through and clean up a little bit, and then I will be right back with you. Okay, I'm back, and as you can see, I just went through and kind of broke these into shorter lines so that it'll make it easier to create the video, and so that's all I did. Also, you do want to read through it because this was an article, and so it used the word article in a couple places, and so I had to change it to video. Like here it says, you may learn more about juicing from this video. It did say article, I had to change that. So you do want to give it a quick read through as well. And then what I like to do at this point, go to scene settings, create a new scene on every line break. That's why I took the time to do that. And when we click proceed, Pictory is going to take us to all their different templates that you can use. And so if you scroll through, you can see there's dozens and dozens of different templates. And if you hover the mouse over, you see they all are different in how the words will appear on the screen. Don't worry about the background color or the font or anything like that because you can change all that. So really what you want to do is pick something that you like the way it comes onto the screen. So just for simplicity, I'm going to go ahead and use this one. And then we're making YouTube videos, so we want the 16:9 ratio, but you can also do vertical or square videos. Let's hit continue. And now what Pictory is going to do is it integrates with Storyblocks and I think one or two other sites where it's going to pull video clips based on the text content that we put in for the script, and it's going to try to match that up. And so once this is finished, it'll pull us into the editor, and I'll explain the editor, and I'll show how we can easily go from scene to scene, how we can change, again, the text font, color, the background, etc., and how we can, let's see, maybe it's getting held up a little here. Might be my internet connection. Yeah, there we go. 100% complete. So let me get myself out of the way. So here we are in the editor. And so it tells us this is about a 4-minute video. And the main menu in Pictory is along the left side here. Story, visuals, elements, audio, text, etc. And just a quick overview. So here's all our scenes. Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3. You can scroll these around if you want to change the order. You go through. You can also see this. So here's the main video. You can also see the scenes below the main video as well down here. So you can jump from scene to scene either down here or using on the left side. So let's just go back to the first scene. And now you see there's nothing above the main video right now. But when you click on the text, now it opens up the editor. So you can go and you can change your font. So let's just change it to Roboto, and maybe you want to change the size, maybe make it a little smaller. You can center it. You got all kinds of different options, and then this is where you can change the text color, the background color, the highlight color. You can change all that. So even though on the template it comes with this yellow background, you can change that to whatever you want. It comes with the black text and the red highlight. You can change all that right here. Now, you do want to go ahead and apply it to all the scenes. So you click that, and that'll apply it to every single scene in the video. Now, next, what you can do is you just want to go through scene by scene and make sure the background video clip is congruent and matches the text, right? So juicing is a terrific technique to combine the nutrients found in fruits and vegetables. So here's some juice with some fruit and vegetables. So that looks pretty good. And then we can scroll to the next scene to create a pleasant juice that tastes entirely fruity and lacks any vegetable flavor. Okay, so there again is juicing, so it looks good. And so we can go to the next one. You may learn more about juicing from this video. So again, it picked a video, but maybe we don't want a video. Maybe we just want, so again, over here, you can search, you can type in something juicing, right? And maybe we want this background instead. And so you click on it, and it'll automatically insert that background. And so that's what you do. You just go through scene by scene and change just to make sure everything matches up. And as you saw, it actually matches everything pretty well. You don't really need to change things too much as you go through. Now, other things you can do, they had different elements in here, stickers, GIFs, emojis that you can add onto your video if you want. And then with audio, they have over 15,000 background music tracks that you can sort by mood, purpose, genre, duration. It usually will go ahead and just pick one for you, so it shows this 2 cars audio. You can click on it and you can preview it, see if it's what you like, or change it. You can also either you can choose one of their built-in voiceover. So again, this is why your face isn't on the screen and your voice doesn't have to be used in the video. You can search by region. You can search by male or female, and you can again preview any of these and then just click apply. And now that voice, AI voice, will be used throughout the entire video. Now, you are able to upload your own background music or your own voiceovers if you have those as well. So if you want to do your own voiceovers or hire someone to do voiceover for you, you can upload it, and it does a really good job of auto-syncing the voiceover you upload to the text. Just going on, you can change any of the text that you want. You can change the style. If you have a logo you want to use, then that's the branding portion. So you can put a logo on so someone doesn't use your video. So you can put basically a logo or watermark. And then finally the format. Again, you can change it, and you want to make sure you just click 1080p so you get a nice high quality video. You can click preview and it'll show you a preview so you can watch it through, make sure it's exactly what you want. And once it's exactly the way you want it, then you just go to generate and click on video, and it'll generate a 1080p video MP4 file that you can then upload to your YouTube channel. And so this is how you can very quickly and easily use PLR, private label rights products, to go ahead and create faceless, voiceless YouTube automation channels using Quillbot to quickly and easily rewrite the PLR content so it's unique. Because if you just use this even in your video, YouTube knows that, okay? YouTube is owned by Google. They know this is not unique content, so you do want to rewrite it. You saw that was very quick and easy to do. And then you just put that into Pictory, and you can very quickly have your video done. And so as you saw, it took me about 13 minutes to make the video that you're watching right now. And we basically have a video that is done. And obviously you can make it a lot faster because I was taking time to talk and explain everything throughout. So I'll leave links again down below for a big product store. I love it. Great content. I'll leave a link below for Pictory. And obviously you can go and get Quillbot as well if you'd like. If you have any questions, please let me know. Leave a thumbs up if you liked the video, and please subscribe if you haven't already to my channel. Thanks so much for watching.